Hi guys, it's Mikey Likes It, and today we have Minnie Mouse's house where she plays with all of her friends. And then we also have Minnie Mouse's shopping cart. Okay. And we have surprise eggs in there and some Minnie Mouse toys. Okay, in here. Whole bunch of surprises in here, and we have Adriana is going to be opening up the surprise eggs so that we can play with Minnie Mouse's house. Adriana, are you ready? Great. Give me thumbs up. Hey, Adriana, why don't you open up some eggs and see what we have in there? The green? Donald Duck. Great. Why don't you put Donald Duck inside the Minnie house?
Right there.
Right there. Perfect. Yellow. Who's in there?
The Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. That's awesome.
Mickey Mouse next Dada.
Okay, great.
Pink.
Ooh, what's that? Pink.
Pink. Minnie Mouse.
Let me see her. Ooh,
Minnie Mouse says Mickey Mouse.
cool. Another egg? Purple. Who's in?
Minnie Mouse. Big Minnie Mouse.
A bigger Minnie Mouse. That's a purple Minnie Mouse. Let me see.
Big.
Open up her legs. Let me see her. She's so beautiful.
Her back.
Okay. Great, go ahead. Go open another egg. Go ahead.
This.
Who's in there?
Goofy.
Goofy. Let me see. Oh, he's so cute. All right, put Goofy in his house with the rest of the guys.
Right there.
Okay.
Pete.
Pete? Where's Pete? I don't see him. Who's that?
Pete.
Oh, you're right. It's Pete. You're so smart. Cool. What do you have? What kind of presents in there? Minnie Mouse's pocketbook? All right. What's in Minnie Mouse's? Oh, that's a pretty bracelet from Minnie. Very good. What else? Is there any more eggs to open?
No.
Minnie Mouse bracelet. Can I see? Ooh, it's so pretty.
Hey.
Awesome. Okay, there's some more eggs to open. There's a Minnie Mouse car. Can I see what that does? Put it down. Let me see. Push it. Whoa. That's awesome. Okay, go ahead. Open some more eggs. I think there's another egg in there. Take the ones out that you already used. The ones you already opened. So we know which ones are left. Keep going. Oh, there's one in there. Go ahead. Who's in there?
Daisy.
Daisy. Let me see. Great. Put her with the rest of her friends. Okay, is there any more?
Yeah.
All right. Who's in there?
Pluto.
Pluto. Let me see. All right.
And Mickey Mouse.
Put Pluto in there.
Mickey Mouse.
Okay, and who's in the last? Is there? That's it, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Peanut.
All right, so we have all of the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse gang that Adriana just found and opened in the surprise eggs. So we have Pete, Daisy, Donald, Minnie, Mickey, Pluto, and Goofy. And then we have the bigger Minnie down here. And this house is so much fun to play with. Push this little button here.
Boogie with a bow. Great dancing.
Great dancing. That's awesome. And then we have the door, Minnie's door here. Ding dong.
I just love it when friends come over.
Okay. And And then we have the refrigerator. And we have an oven. And then you want to put Figaro's bed in there, Adriana?
Right there.
Good, Figaro's bed. You know what? I don't know where Figaro went. Okay, what about the couch? Where can we put the couch?
Couch right there.
All right, that's a cool couch. All right, how about the bathtub goes in the bathroom, Adriana?
This.
Put the bathtub inside the bathroom.
It's right there.
Very good.
That's the couch.
That's the bathroom. Okay, what about the toilet bowl here? Why don't we put the couch down here? And the bathtub there. That looks good.
This pie. This pie right there.
Good girl. Play with all of your toys. So as you can see, Adriana loves playing with her Minnie Mouse house. It's so much fun. She loves playing with the shopping cart and her Minnie Mouse dolls. And this is a really great toy to get the kids. So Adriana, say hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Why don't we tell everybody, say subscribe and like Mikey likes it. All right, guys, we'll see you next time when we have a new fun game to play. I think it's going to be another girly toy, and then we also have, stay tuned for one of Mikey's toys. He's going to be playing with one of his boy toys, and then we also have some new videos coming with some surprise eggs and some mystery blind bags. So stay tuned. Thanks, guys.
That would be good. Oh, the cookies are ready. Shall we take a little tour? How about refreshing up in the mirror?